Big up yourself, this player. The Twitch. What that mean, guys? Guys, thank you so much, guys. Yeah, me is a humble soul. Me such a nice girl. Me just want to find one nice person. I just want to find one nice, loving person that respect me and all that. Yeah. I just want to find one nice person. I already have one nice person already. Wait there. My boyfriend will call me. Babes, wait. Wait there. Guys, me have to in. No, yo, bro. You know, some make you know me too much. I make you know me too much. I make you know me too much, brother. Allow me to tell. Oh. I know so well what I talk. I know when I well what I hear me I talk about. Him underpants. And my shoes. Jesus Christ. Oh my shoes. I'm really the same size. Him name I'm not show him. I don't want to see my man too much. If you not get people to that one, yeah? I'm mad. No, go do that. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. It smells nice. The shoe bottom? Damn, him not walk on him shoes. Him not walk on him shoes, guys. I'll show you him pants. Mm. I'll show you him pants now. See him pants, yeah.